Have you ever tried preserved vegetable Maikai porridge?
Maikai is a traditional Chinese preserved vegetable, made from mustard greens or perturbed mustard, with a salty umami flavor, often used in braised dishes or porridge. Preserved vegetable porridge is savory and appetizing, with the rich aroma of Maikai blending into the soft rice porridge, making it light yet comforting. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients: Maikai, shiitake mushrooms, carrot, rice. Wash clean rice and set aside. Peel and cut carrot into cubes. The mild sweetness of carrots balances the saltiness of preserved vegetables, making the porridge fresher and more nutritious. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and dietary fiber, which support eye health, boost immunity, and aid digestion. Wash clean shiitake mushroom, sliced and set aside. Preserved mustard greens may have dust and excess salt, so rinse them under running water first, then soak in fresh water for 30+ minutes to reduce saltiness. After soaking, squeeze out the water. This enhances their flavor without overpowering dishes. If the preserved mustard greens are too salty, you can extend the soaking time or change the water midway. For an even milder taste, briefly blanch them, though this may reduce some of the flavor. Dicing preserved mustard greens into small pieces helps fully release their savory taste, allowing them to blend better into porridge or dishes for enhanced flavor. All the ingredients are ready, just add them to the rice cooker with water and start cooking. For creamy porridge, use a 1:8 to 1:10 rice to water ratio 1:8 for thicker texture. Let it rest 10 minutes after cooking for extra silkiness. Just press a button on the rice cooker. It automatically controls heat and prevents boiling over, making hassle-free perfect porridge. Season the porridge with salt if preferred, but I enjoy it as is. The natural savoriness of the preserved vegetables makes it deliciously flavorful. The rice cooker softens the grains perfectly, letting the Maikai's taste infuse every bite for simple comfort. And just like that, your simple preserved vegetable porridge is done easy, right? The warm bowl of it is so comforting and satisfying. The porridge balances the saltiness of Maikai umami of mushrooms, and sweetness of carrots in a velvety base. Tender carrots, springy mushrooms, and rich preserved greens create layered textures. A nourishing, cozy bowl perfect for chilly days.
What are some little-known facts about preserved mustard greens?
Maikai was once imperial tribute. Maikai was offered to Qing Dynasty emperors. Legend says even Emperor Qianlong praised it. Sun-dried on rooftops, traditionally sun-dried for 20 days. The day-night temperature shift creates its unique taste. Two types, sweet and salty. Guangdong's version is sweeter, while Hezhou's is saltier. Different recipes. Its dehydrated version was considered for astronaut meals but failed due to strong odor. Fermentation generates glutamic acid, making it a historic flavor booster in Hakka cuisine. Preserved mustard greens are high in salt. Overconsumption may increase sodium intake, which isn't ideal for blood pressure, so enjoy in moderation. For a balanced diet, limit fermented foods to 1 to 2 times per week and pair them with fresh veggies or low-sodium meals. Though deliciously appetizing, keeping portions in check lets you savor Maikai without compromising health. Porridge is gentle on digestion. The slow-cooked, gelatinized rice breaks down easily, making it ideal for upset stomachs or recovery. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.